And we're back. Mobility Solutions brings you another new product from the UK. Product number 2 in this lineup, and we think you're going to love it.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com, and I'm about to unbox a new scooter to the market, to the US market, accordion style. And one thing I want to point out, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do it. What we do is unbox brand new products, look for new products, look for companies that are going to have their US base. They also need to stock parts. If they're not doing that, we try to stay away from those companies. So there's a lot of mobility scooter companies out there. They're just shipping stuff directly from China, straight to you, no parts, can't get parts, communication's not very good, you gotta do it through email, whatever. We wanna deal with a company that's easy for us to work with, so it makes it easier for you to work with us. So just keep that in mind. We just did an unboxing of a fold flat unit that this company has. This is the Supa Carbon Lite. And there's a couple other scooters that they have, but this thing, I think you're gonna like it if you want the front to back fold, the accordion style fold. This is a NFC keyless start, which people are asking for. The reason for it, Disney World, swipe it across, they feel better about leaving it somewhere, and someone's gotta have that NFC that's made for your unit for it to work. Also digital display screen. Let's get into it. Unboxing. This thing is about, I don't know how much this weighs. Let's say the box is 50 pounds, but the unit's only 28 pounds. So 28 pounds unit, but obviously there's stuff in here that you would have to remove to make it 28 pounds. TSA approved battery, up to 9 miles, 270 pound weight capacity. It's not for everyone. If you're too big, you need something for over 300 pound weight capacity, we have units for that. First thing we're gonna do, check this out, show you what it looks like inside the box. So grade, I like the boxing. It looks like it's gonna always get to you safe. Manual, read it thoroughly, and we'll send you a quiz. All right, tools, screw-ons for the armrest, some other stuff. Put that to the side. What is this? What is this? There's two things, and I don't know what it is. Well, I know what it is, but I don't know what it's for. This, oh yeah, here it is. This is your key. There's two of them. Take them off this, keep one of them. This could go on your wrist maybe. I don't know. Here they are. Very nice. Everything's nice. It really is. Let's put this to the side. I know we're gonna need it. I don't know what this is for. Oh, USB converter to C. So it's got a USB hookup. You have the C charging port. You plug it in. So that's nice they gave it to you. Let's get to the unit. And I know some people say they don't like unboxing videos. They're boring. Well, I like doing them because I want to see what it's like when you receive it. I want to be able to tell you if you call me, hey, this is, no, it's supposed to have that. Or, no, it's not supposed to have that. Or whatever it is. This, there's like a handle here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a handle here. I'm putting my hand in here. This is probably gonna be a little stiff at first, so if you want to lay it down, maybe do it. Slide it out. Take this, and really this can be something your kids can play with or save it. And I like this box in a way because it's pretty easy to store, and it's thick, and it's tough. It's a tough box. Matte Black. It's a great box for Louie. Don't get upset if I'm making fun of Louie. Me and Louie are friends. We make fun of each other. He makes fun of me. I make fun of him. But he can't catch me. Well, I mean, I guess he could. I was asleep. Yeah, in the strut, yeah. Charger. Here it is. Yep, guess what, guys? Magnetic charging port. This one has it. Show you how that works. Handle here, just move this away. Here are your armrests if you need them, and we showed you how to install it on the last one. We'll show you on this one too. But to get it this tight, you'll probably take these off. You might use them, you might not. Whatever, they come with it. It's not an extra charge, they're free. Get this off of it. All right. Before you go too far, here's your basket, foldable basket, just like the other one. So I guess this is going to be a common theme basket that they have. So What's nice about these baskets that fold, it looks like it will have to be removed off the unit for folding. I don't know if I like that too much, but again, nothing's perfect. Here's the basket. You just unfold it just like that. There's a tab. You're going to pull down, open it up, fold it down. Small basket, but it's better than not having one. Seat cushion is here, so I guess it folds up with a seat cushion in it. This one comes, I believe, in just matte finish with this blue around it. That's kind of got that reflecting tape, which I like. Quilted finish for looks, not really for comfort. Gives it that rich look. This is with the battery. It is light. Spring suspensions back here. This is your free wheel. You can roll it as long, that's how you make it. This is neutral gear. So to operate, you gotta have it on. To roll it, you can have it off. I like that you can roll it like this and it stands up. That's really kind of cool. I see that it's got the carbon fiber to it. It's got the suspension systems. The tires are small, probably the same size of most all of their units. 1.5 inches, the same size, and about 7 inches in height. There's a handle here. That's nice to have that handle, because you're always trying to, where can I grab it? You grab it here, you can grab it down here. We got to unfold it. Without reading the manual, that's cheating. Where? Well, I would imagine it's right. Let's fold it back up. Hey, take 2. Oh. Look. Look. Manual fold. Look, they have some units that have the auto fold. I wanted the manual fold. I'm more of a manual fold guy because you don't have another motor. You reduce the weight. This is all you're doing. To unfold it is like so. And when you fold it up, there's a little bar here. You're pulling it back in. It goes right back into place. Locks. This comes up. Pick it up. The cushion was in here, so I guess the cushion could stay. The arms on it's just going to make it out more. So you'll have to make the decision if you want to add them or leave them on. It's not going to be so compact. I like this up here, so if you have a hard time bending over, you can just push down. Okay, push down. I'm bending over less. I'm doing this. I'm getting on the...
Watching this on TV, just get your remote, look on the corner for the logo, Mobility Solutions logo, and click it, and then subscribe. Just subscribe. It's free. Just press the button. Just click it.
We have this set up for shorter people, but this right here is adjustable. Oh my gosh. You have a lot of different settings, so you can adjust it by 1 click, 2 clicks. There's a bunch of clicks. One thing you need to know, it's not coming back to you. So some of the other units have more of a tiller adjustment to you with the feather touch. This one doesn't have it at all. Another one we just reviewed had the knob. There's your USB. It feels pretty stable, pretty solid for one of these units. I see them all the time. I like the tires much better. Again, turning radius isn't going to be there like a sharp turning like you see on the modular system. Some of those scooters that come apart. No swivel seat, plenty of room between the legs. I feel like you can get your feet around it. The reason why you go with this one over the fold flat is less footprint. So it's up to you. It's up to your travel needs. If you got 2 of these going to a car, less footprint, and you don't have to bend over as much, that's why you would do this. Nice handle, I think. Quality's there. Matte finish. They're going to call this black, I guess, or gray. There's the blue. You do have to remove the battery. I mean, the basket, when you fold this up, at least I'm pretty sure you do. The cushion you might not have to. We'll fold it up. All right, This one has a different charging port on it. This is new. A lot of the units are coming like this from different companies, not all of them. This is common sense. Plug this in. There's a power and there's a charging. You can do this like so. So no port, it just magnet. So eyes closed. Where is it? It's right there. Easy, very easy to take on and off. It's a cool feature. Louis, I just really hope that there's a charging port on this battery, because there's another company I work with that doesn't have the charging port on a scooter that's similar to this, and you got to take the whole unit out to charge it. It's a pain. Let's see if there's one here. You got your fingers crossed? There it is. So, magnet is about 5 pounds. So with this out, the basket off, everything, this scooter is about, what, 28 pounds? Take this, get out of here. I don't like riding scooters until they're fully charged up. I don't suggest you doing it either. Battery in and out, about the same as the other one. There's like a little release. There's a little handle here to grab. I want to show you this NFC. Obviously, I'll have Louis snitch in how to put the armrest on like the other one. It's pretty easy. Go, come look at this. Battery, miles per hour, speed control, horn, big throttle, adjustable in height. Turn it off. Off. 2 of these. Don't lose them. Don't call me if you lose them. I'm sure I can get them.
My ice cream's melting and I'm in the parking lot. I can't find my keys.
Eat the ice cream. If you call me and your ice cream's melting, eat the ice cream and then call me. Obviously, you don't want to keep both these together. I'm sure the speed and everything, the driving's about the same. It's just accordion style. That kind of sums it up. I mean, it's pretty. About the same. It's just, I think the price is close to the same. You got any questions about this unit? You want to see more about this product line? Just, first of all, like and subscribe. We talk about this now all the time, but leave a comment. Give me a call. It's very simple. We'll help you over the phone. We'll make sure that this is the right unit for you, what your lifestyle is. It's about your primary use of the scooter. These things are like buying anything you've ever bought in life. It's like buying a car. It's like buying your pair of shoes. Whatever it is, there's a reason for each and every unit. Can some units do everything? Not really. But this is super light. It's meant for traveling. Get 2 of these in your car. Get the 2 discount for sure. They ship to you fast. Parts are in stock. It's simplified. The quality's there. I like it. So far, it passes with me with unboxing. Come back for the review of this unit and the full flat unit that we talked about earlier. We want to see how it performs on reasonable outside surfaces. We know it's excellent choice for traveling, and it has the NFC smart key with this unit. That's about it. Thank you and have a great day.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com or give us a call at 803-926-2224.
Mileage and distance can vary based on terrain. Your price can vary too. If our phone rings, we'll beat the other guy's price, but you actually have to call us. So what are you waiting on?